In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change values without deleting it one by one in Excel. This is a quick, reliable way to update many cells at once without manually clearing and retyping each one. It's perfect for swapping out repeated labels, standardizing categories, or correcting entries across a selected range. First, highlight the values you want to update. Click the first cell, then drag to the last cell in your range. If your list is long, you can speed this up by clicking the first cell and pressing Shift plus the arrow keys to extend the selection. To grab non-adjacent cells, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking each one. You can also select an entire column by clicking its header, but be careful not to include headers or unrelated data you don't intend to change. The key here is to make sure only the cells you want to update are included in the selection. Next, make your change in the first cell of the selection. You'll notice that one cell remains the active cell, usually with a slightly bolder border. Type the new value you want all selected cells to have. This can be text, a number, or even a formula. If you're entering a formula that should apply to every selected cell, type it just once in that active cell. Keep in mind that relative references will adjust per row or column, just as they would if you copied and pasted a formula. When you're ready, press Enter to confirm. If your Excel automatically applies the change to the whole selection, you're done. If it only updates the active cell, there's a quick fix. Hold Ctrl and press Enter to apply your typed value or formula to every cell in the highlighted range at once. That shortcut is especially handy on large selections and ensures everything changes in a single action. A few practical tips as you work. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl plus Z to undo immediately. If the cells are formatted as dates, currency, or percentages, your new value will follow that existing format. If it doesn't look right, adjust the number format on the Home tab. For text like complete or pending, type it exactly as you want it to appear. Finally, double-check your selection before confirming to avoid overwriting anything important. And that's it. By highlighting your target cells, editing the first one, and confirming the change, you can update entire groups of values in seconds without deleting them one by one.